Hello guys, so if you've been seeing ads for the Parowu Face Mask claiming it can erase dark spots, fix melasma, fade freckles, clear acne scars, and basically give you flawless skin in a few weeks, you're probably wondering the same thing everyone is. Is this thing legit, or is it just another 2025 skincare scam? Let's break it down. On the surface, the Parowu mask looks impressive. The website throws around words like FDA registered, ISO certified, and even claims it's backed by a doctor. But the moment you take a closer look, things start to fall apart. For starters, the certificates they show are so blurry you can't read a single line. That's usually a sign they might not be real or were taken from somewhere else just to look official. Then there are the before and after photos. They look dramatic, but running a quick reverse image search reveals many of them appear on totally unrelated websites. Some don't even match the same person. That's a major red flag. And about that doctor endorsement, the name and photo look like stock imagery or AI-generated content. There's no trace of this doctor outside of their site, and that's not how real medical endorsements work. The claims don't get any better. They use phrases like magical, turn back the clock, and promise 100% no allergic reactions, which no real skincare brand would ever guarantee. They even mention awards and experts that don't seem to exist anywhere else online. Meanwhile, they boast about having over 50,000 reviews, but none of those reviews provide substantial detail. And strangely, there's almost zero conversation about this product on social media forums or beauty communities. For a product claiming to be a global bestseller, that silence speaks volumes. Here's something to consider. Even legitimate skincare products take weeks or months to show noticeable results, and improvements depend on your skin type, underlying issues, and consistent use of proper ingredients. So, any product claiming instant, flawless skin should be met with extreme skepticism. Putting all of this together, the Parowu Face Mask raises more questions than confidence. There are too many inconsistencies, too many unverifiable claims, and not enough real-world proof that it works. If you're considering buying it, just be cautious. When a product tries this hard to look trustworthy without offering real evidence, that usually tells you everything you need to know. A good rule of thumb: research ingredients, check credible reviews, and ask a dermatologist if you're unsure. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit like, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more honest reviews. I'll also be sharing upcoming videos on how to spot fake skincare products, the top proven ingredients for dark spots and acne scars, and tips for building a safe and effective skincare routine, so make sure you don't miss those. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.